and today I'm going to be doing a Bay Wars Bay Raiders Stream Gate unboxing. So let's get the unboxing. I start right here. By the way, I'm not familiar with Bay Raiders, so if I get something wrong, I mean if I don't exactly say what they say, I don't know if they say go shoot or if they say let it rip. I don't watch this show. I just got this thing for my birthday. Wait, is there tape here? Yeah, there's definitely tape. So time to go get the tape off. I don't have my little knife with me right now. That could be the reason the tape is hard.
Fill in the tile. One more down there.
So here is this. There's my tokens. Okay, that's everything. This is the ultimate favorite. Oh, I guess this. I see this. I'm gonna open this.
Both of them are nice, but Old Tucson more commercial. It's a movie show. Tucson is
It's a YouTube app. I don't know what it is. Here. So I got that part on. So next up.
Go say thank you. Thank you, Alex.
Thank you, Alex.
That was funny though.
Sorry that I'm doing this alone. It's a bad quality video because I'm doing it alone. So guys,
Like non-stop, one after the other. Oh yeah.
wait a second. Done.
Oh, that was enough.
I'm gonna need the instruction manual. Sorry.
yeah. I bought that hat over there too. Yeah.
I have a bunch of Reddit.
Good for you guys.